Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Argument. Today we will discuss another topic on Python, and today I also discuss three different problems like how to use itertools module, and one of the function is that permutations. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Through Python IDE, I will discuss today's topic step by step. So let's dive in. So friends, I'm just within the Python IDE, and today I will discuss three different problems in Python. Okay, so first problem is that create list of tuples. Each tuple should contain an item and its price, right? Write Python program to sort the tuples in descending order by price. Okay, so to do that, at first we take a list and its items all are tuple. I have already saved the file name example_5.py. Okay, so we take a list, suppose write L equal, and we know the list should be defined within a square bracket. Elements all are the tuple, so we take lots of tuples in pair format. So first we take, suppose the item name is oil and suppose price is 150. Okay, second pair of tuple is, suppose we put the name of the item is salt and suppose put the price is 25, right? Third one, suppose we put the name of the item is rice and suppose put the price is 75. Okay, and fourth one, same way, suppose take the item name is soap and suppose price is 40. And the last one means the fifth one, suppose we put the name is butter and suppose the price put here 60. Okay, so here we take lots of tuples as an item of the particular list. So this list contain the tuple and each tuple contain two elements. One is the item and another is the price. Okay, and for that case, this is the position is 0, this is position is a 1. Same way, this is 0, 1, in that way it's going on. Okay, now we take another variable, just write s_p, and here we put the shorted list, right? So we take the variable name is s_p, and here we use shorted, this particular function we are using, and send the argument is L, the list means the iterable, and here we use a argument is a key. Okay, and what it taken? It take a anonymous function. Here we are using a lambda function. Okay, function you already know, so just write lambda x colon x within third bracket 1. Why? Because the problem is given, write Python program to sort the tuples in descending order by price. So price position is your 1 position, index is 1. The item is 0, this is the 1, that's why you are sending here 1, right? Then put comma, and then another argument we are using is reverse, and just put the value is true. That means it will sort it in descending order. Okay, by default is an ascending. When we put reverse value is true, that means it's a descending order. Okay, and after what we just print this variable, just send s_p, which is also a list. Okay, if you save this program within the file example_5.py, and if you run it, just press F5. Yes, we got the result in descending order. Just checked, oil price is high, that is the first, next one is rice, next one butter, next one soap, next one is salt, right? Now same problem, if we don't need for descending order, if we sort it in a ascending order, then don't put this argument. If we run again, so it's just in ascending order, means small value first, then the higher value. Okay, I hope you have understood the first problem in Python. Okay, now the second problem is that write a Python program that creates all possible strings using the letter A, E, I, O, U. Ensure that each character is used only once, right? here we are using a itertools module, and one of the function of this module is permutations we are using here, right? So we are writing the program in the same file, example_5.py. So at first we are importing what itertools this module is needed for this program, okay? And then we just take a list, and the list items are this A, E, I, O and U, all are the vowels, okay? Then we take another variable p equal, and now we are using the permutations, this particular function. Now write here itertools dot permutations, the function name is permutations, and say in the argument the list L, okay? Actually this permutations functions generates all possible permutations, means the arrangement using this A, E, I, O, U, where each and every letters are unique within the particular word is concerned, right? And then we are just use a for loop, just write for I in P, and then we just print just within single quote, don't put any space, and then using a function join and just send this I here, okay? And then we put a comma and then just write end equal, then double quote open, put a space, double quote close, parenthesis close, okay? Actually here what it does, it converts each permutation tuples to string, right? So whatever the tuple will come, it just convert into string, right? After we save the code within the file example_5.py, and if we press F5 to run this code, we get all possible combinations using A, E, I, O, U, it will display here, right? I hope you have understood today's second problem, right? Now the third problem is that a set contains cities which begin either A or B, okay? Write a program in Python to separate out the cities into two sets. One contains cities beginning with A, particular this letter, and another containing cities beginning with B, this letter, right? So here we write the code. So at first we take a set, it contains all the cities which have starting A or B, okay? Suppose at first we write here Agra. Second city, suppose we put here Bangalore. Third one, suppose we put here Ajmer. Fourth one, suppose put here Bhopal. Next one, suppose we put here Asansol. Another, suppose we put here Burdwan. Another is suppose Amritsar, right? Another, suppose we put here Bilaspur, right? So they are near about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cities are there. Someone starting with A letter, someone starting with B letter, right? And now we take two different set. Just write C_A, which contain only the cities which starting with A letter, and another is C_B, is also an empty set which contain the cities which starting with B letter, right? And now we use the for loop city in C, and now we check here if city dot starts with the letter A, then it will append within the C_A set. So just write C_A dot add city. Elif city dot starts with B, this character, and then it will add within the C_B this set, right? So if the city start with A, it go to the C_A this set. If the city start with B, it will go to the C_B this set, right? And after, if we print, just write cities starting with A, but put a colon, double quotient, comma, then write C_A, okay? And same way, if you just write print cities starting with B, put a colon and then double quote end comma C underscore B, parenthesis close. If you save this code within the file example underscore 5.py and just run it using F5, so you got cities starting with A, Amritsar, Agra, Asansol, Ajmer, where cities starting with B is Bardhaman, Bilashpur, Bangalore and Goa. Right. I hope you have understood today's 3 different problems in Python. If you have some doubts for today's problem is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcane for more videos. Keep support us. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.